Hello, welcome to another live stream of Master Investor Company. Glad to be here again with another valuable video on money, business, and investing. Our mission is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education. Made simple, we're looking for opportunities to build passive income and true wealth. If you're new to our community, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you have any questions. I want you also to download our ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On, because that is going to help you understand the steps that you need to take in order to start building your asset column. And the question is, how do we make our money today? There are three ways that we can make money. That is, number one, if you have a job, you get a paycheck. That is called earned income. And it's taxed at the highest bracket. It's very difficult to build true wealth with that type of income. Majority of people will spend their entire life working for earned or ordinary income. The second type of income that we can obtain is capital gains income. And that is when we purchase something at a certain price and we sell it for a higher price. That gain right there is called capital gains income. And it's taxed at a higher bracket than the next type of income, which is the best income to build true wealth. But when it comes to investing, we either get capital gains income or the third type of income, which is passive income. Okay, those are the three types of income that exist. Earned income, that's number one. Number two, capital gains income. And number three, passive income. Passive income is the best type of income that we can build to have true financial freedom and wealth, because it allows us to really be totally free. And anything that we do, we can achieve, we can obtain, we can do everything for free at any point in time, because we have cash flow coming in from assets that we are controlling, that our companies are controlling 100%. I'm going to show you exactly what a financial statement is, how to read your own personal financial statement, and we're also going to help you understand how to read others' businesses and investments financial statements, because that is the foundation of true wealth, is understanding how to read financial statements. You have to first start with your own financial statement. That's why we added a personal financial statement that is blank, that you can download on our website. When you get our ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, you will also have access to additional assets within that ebook. And if you get it now, which is a great deal for you, because in the future it's going to be a lot more money than what it is today. So you will always have access to that e-course and the ebook, and anything that we add into that digital course, you will always be grandfathered in. You will have access for a lifetime, regardless of the price in the future. So think about it. Right now we have several different assets within that ebook. If you get it straight from our website. If you go to Amazon, you're just going to get the ebook alone. I suggest you just go to our website, get it there, because you're going to have a lot more tools, resources, and you'll have a community of people helping each other out to build our asset column. Okay, it's all about building true freedom, and the only way to do that is to understand the new rules of money, how to build your business online, how to start making money while you're sleeping, because you have assets, whether they're digital assets or they're offline assets like real estate. There are 5 different asset classes that exist that we can invest on, and that is real estate, businesses, crypto, paper assets, and commodities. As we always say here in our community, when we talk about diversification, we're not talking about diversifying in one asset class. We're speaking about diversifying among the 5 different asset classes that exist, so that we protect ourselves from down economies and hedge for inflation. In fact, we welcome inflation. Inflation is our friend, because we have financial education. In our community here at Master Investor, it's all about bringing that investor that we all have inside of us and turn it into a master investor through financial education, understanding the new rules of money, the corporate law, the tax code, having better communication skills, so that we can put a team together that will fulfill the mission of our businesses. Every business is built to have a solution to a problem in the marketplace, in the world. So what type of problems do you want to solve? What are you passionate about? If you want to live on the beaches of the world and have freedom, then you need to focus on your asset column. Focus on building passive income, right? And capital gains income. So passive income is taxed at the lowest bracket. Then it goes capital gains income is taxed at a higher bracket. In fact, passive income, when we document everything properly and we have the right CPA and the right business attorney on our team, then we can document everything through our business expense. Even our living expense and our personal expenses can be run through the business legally, because we are talking about expending our businesses when we are having lunch, when we are going on vacation, when we are driving, and everything that we do is revolves around our business, including having an office inside of our house, right? That could also be deducted on taxes and therefore minimize them all the way to zero legally. Passive income is the only type of income that allows us to take taxes all the way to zero legally. And if you look at the studies, they say that the number one highest expense that exists for all humans are taxes. So if we can minimize taxes all the way to zero legally, then we are already wealthier than the average human being. So it's all about having the first advantage that will help us succeed in life and give us more wealth to ourselves. It's all about how much money that we keep at the end of the day. It's not how much money we make, it's how much money we get to keep. A lot of people make a lot of money through a paycheck, but they don't get to keep it because they are paying taxes, Social Security, and a variety of different things that withdraws money from them. Okay, and so you have a lot of people that make a lot of money, but they don't know how to invest their money. They don't know how to make their money work hard for them. They have to work hard for the money. And here at Master Investor, we're going to give you the tools and resources that you need in order for you to put that money to work. If you have safe capital, then you need to understand how to make that money work hard. And the only way to do that is to first invest in your financial education, because if you don't have financial education, then you're going to end up listening to a sales guru that will take your money away, and he or she will earn commissions on your money, and he or she doesn't even make money the way you want to make money through passive income and capital gains income. So understand then who you're listening to is very key when it comes to building success with investing, okay? It's all about understanding how to take control of your finances. We want to give the power to you so that you make the decisions at the end of the day. So if you have safe capital, you need to start investing in yourself. If you don't know how to put that money to work, there are many ways. You could be sitting on assets that are liabilities right now because you just don't have the financial education to turn them into assets. So we have put together digital courses, products, and services that will help you understand your financial statement and how you can take your life, your current situation financially, and turn it around to make you passive income. And maybe you have, like I said, a liability right now in your liability column that can be turned into an asset and you don't even know it. It could be making you passive income while you're sleeping. And so understanding how to put yourself in position to start making money while you're asleep is something that you achieve with financial education. So I encourage you to go get our ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. I'm going to show you how to live and have total freedom in the best places of the world. You can achieve anything that you want, but you need to get your money straight. You need to have passive income coming in. Otherwise, you're going to have to work hard to have a vacation. I want you to do less and make more. That's the whole purpose of becoming a businessman and an inside investor. It's all about understanding how to make money work hard, how to build passive income. That's why rule number one of our community is that we work to build passive income and make money work hard for us. Okay? So in everything that we pay, all of our expenses, it's not about shrinking. In fact, we want to expand. We always want to live above our means because it helps us expand. It gives us creativity. It's all about building networks. So I'm going to show you how to do network marketing, right? How to get in places and rub shoulders with the right people so that you can build networks. It's about literally putting yourself in the right rooms, being the right person with the right mindset. You must have the wealthy mindset, and that is free. You can start changing your mindset right now as you're watching this video, because you're approaching money differently. Today, money is a currency, is digital, is fake, is an idea backed up by confidence. And that happened back in 1971, August 15, when President Nixon separated the gold standard from the US dollar. From that point forward, money became monopoly money, became fiat money, and just an idea backed up by confidence, like I said. So once you understand that money is created with debt, then you will start appreciating having credit cards, having loans to invest for passive income, to invest for capital gains income too. So it's about grabbing that credit card, and instead of investing it into something that is going to take money away from you, into a liability, right? Something that takes money away from you, you're first going to acquire an asset that will produce passive income, that will pay the credit card off, and will leave you money to buy whatever liability you wanted to buy to begin with. So it's about positioning ourselves to get everything for free legally, because we have an asset that will pay for that Lamborghini. We'll have an asset that will pay for that penthouse. We have an asset that pays for our trips. We have an asset that pays for our food the entire year, whatever restaurant we want to eat. Okay, everything is free because we have a business that is paying for it. It's solving a problem in the marketplace so successfully that we get rewarded with cash flow. And it's all about positive cash flow. Whether it's real estate, whether it's a business, we need to have positive cash flow. And of course, some assets will only create capital gains income, but you can also get dividends through stocks. You can position yourself correctly to also get cash flow from the asset classes that will essentially build capital gains income. You can withdraw money from those gains every quarter, every month, and there are other strategies that we speak about inside of our ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, that will teach you how to cash flow from those assets that create capital gains income. So with financial education, you can definitely start changing your life today. You can begin to acquire assets. You don't need to have tons of money, right, to start building your asset column, because like we said, it does not take money to create passive income. It takes financial knowledge, because the job number one of an entrepreneur is to raise capital. So a lot of people have a lot of money, but they don't know how to make wealth. They don't know how to put that money to work. They don't know how to invest. So it's not money that makes a person wealthy. It's the knowledge that we have within. It's what we know, and also who we know, right? It's all about relationships and having the right knowledge so that we can capitalize on every relationship that we have in any opportunity that we see in the marketplace. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let us know. We're going to be doing this every single week. We're going to give you videos on money, business, and investing. If we want to become ultra wealthy, then we need to be having a money conversation on a daily basis as much as possible. So I encourage you to sit down with your family, with your partner, and speak about building the asset column. Talk about what business, what asset you're going to be acquiring, and how you're going to be making money together, how your family, how you have a team within your partnership and your relationship, because a lot of times people get divorced and they separate due to finances, due to the fact that they lack money. There's a money problem, there's a money issue, and they don't come home and talk about it. Okay, the more we talk about money, the better we are going to be at making money the wealthy way, through assets and having the right investments that we control 100%. It's about control and leverage. It's about doing less and making more money. It's about having more freedom and having more positive cash flow. And you can only do that when you start acquiring assets that produce passive income. And maybe you're sitting on an asset right now. You don't even know it's a liability right now because it's taking money away from you. Maybe you're sitting on a house that is 5-bedroom, 4-bath, and you can actually move out of the house temporarily and turn it into an Airbnb. Or maybe you have several cars in your garage and you're not using them all, and you can put them on Turo and make money with them, make passive income, because now they're being rented the entire month by tourists, depending on where you are. But take a look at your personal financial statement, figure out what are your liabilities, and it's not about running away from them. It's not about being debt-free. It's about creating good debt, which means that we are going to acquire credit card loans to invest to acquire a cash flowing asset, something that produces passive income or capital gains income for us. And that income is going to be used to pay the credit card or the loan and the interest, and also is going to leave us with positive cash flow. And that debt is good debt because it's making us wealthy. It's getting paid on its own, and it's basically free money to us. We have no money invested into the deal. We're using the bank's money, OPM, other people's money, and OPT, other people's time, to leverage ourselves to wealth. Okay? So create total freedom in your life by investing. That is the only way you'll be able to have freedom. Otherwise, you have to go to work and make your paycheck. And that is not freedom unless you love your job. And we need great employees. There's nothing wrong with having a job that you love. But there are a lot of people out there that hate their job, and the only way they can get out of the rat race is by investing and understanding the new rules of money so that they can live a life with purpose. Don't leave your dreams behind. Don't leave your mission behind, your purpose behind, right? That is priority, and you should not jeopardize that just because you don't know how to make money through investing. Get your financial education. It won't cost you much. All this information that you're getting right here is free, so you have a jump start to start building your financial freedom and true wealth. I hope that this video has been helpful to you. Look at that view, how beautiful it is. That's Miami right there. I'm going to show you exactly how to be at the penthouse that you desire, right? And how to have that penthouse being paid on its own by itself, because I have businesses and investments building positive cash flow to me every single day, giving to me cash flow as I sleep, as I work out, as I'm talking to you. I want to share what I know through this ebook that we put together here on our company. We also have another ebook that is called the 10-Year Rules of Money. Get those two ebooks because you need them for your financial freedom and true wealth, right? And we have 3 more ebooks coming out in the next 3 months. Stay tuned. One is on crypto. One is going to be on how to raise capital. And we have another one that is going to help you understand how to turn your company into a brand, because we speak about how important it is not just to build a company, it's about turning it into a brand, which means it's protected, it has intrinsic value, it's trademarked, it's registered. Okay, I'm going to show you how to spot opportunities, and most importantly, how to have financial integrity, which means that the business that you're controlling is complete, it has all the systems in place, in any other business that you're going to acquire too in the future. So it's all about having our businesses buy more businesses and more assets that will produce passive income. And that is the holy grail there. We have a business that is creating passive income for us, and that money is being used to acquire more sound investments that will produce passive income or capital gains income. And that is all for free at the end of the day. Do you see the point? We have a business that is making us money, right? We have no money invested in the deal. So that's free money, money for nothing. And if we use debt, debt is tax-free because money is created with debt. So debt, when we use a credit card, when we use a loan, is tax-free. And when we invest it to build passive income, then passive income is tax-free. So we are a tax-free entity legally. And now we have free money coming in, and we're using that money to buy paper assets. We're using that money to buy cryptocurrencies. We're using that money to acquire other businesses that will produce more wealth for us. And that is all free. So if you want to live a life with abundance and have successful people around you, like-minded, and live stress-free and enjoy the beautiful things that life has to offer, then you need to join our team here at Master Investor. Go to our website. I put the link in the description. I'll see you on the next broadcast. Thank you for watching. Stay great and wealthy, bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Bye for now.